Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing good. I am back again with my today's update, and it's almost midnight. Actually, it's not almost midnight, it is more than midnight. Today my work was so much that I logged in for more than 2 hours extra, and after 12 I logged out, and after that and now right now I'm shooting this video. You guys can also see that background is changed. Right now I'm sitting in a different room, that's too, with the lights off. But yeah, I'm back today with my today's update. Actually, not update, something I just want to discuss one thing today. What happened was, today actually I was in the morning, I was shooting some videos, some photos and videos in my laptop, and in that I found one folder of my old pictures. That pictures like when I was in the after 12th, when I first time got my phone, and when I used to, if you guys know, I have mentioned in my earlier videos that I used to, about me, like when I used to stay at home, I used to wear my mother and sister clothes when they are not at home, just to feel myself comfortable. So I found those pictures. When I got the phone, I used to start clicking pictures, and in most of the pictures, either I was cropping my head before because there were beards with which I was not comfortable with, small hairs and beards. So I used to take photo below my neck, and otherwise, even if I'm taking the photo of my whole body, I used to put emoji in my face so that it don't look odd. And right now I suddenly saw those photos, and I went on a fast memory, like how far I have came since the childhood till in the college. I used to do that. Even I have done this for years, more than 10, 12, 15 years. Since the childhood, I remember when I first time I tried dress till the time I left my home, that is in December 2022. I used to do this, and I was really not comfortable with my face. And right now I am here, started my hormones, and already on the verge of transition. I have long hairs, beards almost gone, like everything. My voice, I have to work again. But yeah, that was so much like, it was a nostalgia for me. Not in a good, really not in a bad way also. It was a good, like, if I see that time right now, I never thought that I will come this far. That time I didn't even knew that how my future will be, what I will be doing and everything. But still I was just, that time I was trying to survive and hiding and surviving. Right now I am not even hiding and not even surviving. Maybe surviving because of external factors, but definitely not hiding. And that is something else, something which I never thought of when I was young, and that kid would have never thought of years back. So yeah, that was a good memory, and that is a like complete, that was the only main thing of that day, main focus, so okay, of this video. Or I don't know what the exact word should be, I should use. I need to work more on my English. I don't know much words. I am very limited to my words. I generally use those words which I use in my day-to-day life, or mostly in my office and all. I know more tech words than more general communicating words. I know all the tech words, from the Jira to tickets to pointers to Java, or everything inside the Java hoops and all, in my DFCX routes, pages, intents, flows. But I know less about the words in the, some big words in the communication things. If I have to communicate with someone, I know just day-to-day words, and if I want to communicate something very unique, I don't have any words. I never thought like that, but today when I got stuck in this video, I really realized that I don't know much words in the English. I only know technicals. So yeah, that's all. That's the only thing I wanted to discuss today. So yeah, till then, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.